Let me show you all ringtones and glyph matrix lights that are used on a Nothing phone for a Pro. So if we go to settings and over here proceed to sound and vibration, in here we should be able to go to the phone ringtone. Let me select my SIM. And first we're gonna start with the classic mode. In here, if we go to the default ringtone, we can go to Nothing signals, and over here we have our signals. So the first one is crossing, where we have this crossing person on the glyph matrix. Then we have ripple. There we go. Next one is pulse. Then there is wings. All right, then we have the dolphin. We have Anna. There we go, that's pretty much it. Sticks. Wizard. Hammer. And whatever this is. Alright. Of course, besides that, we have the generative mode, where we have a couple of additional options. And chemical, this one here. It looks pretty cool. Now, of course, if you use a custom ringtone, then it is going to use the glyph matrix as well. So you don't have to worry that the glyph matrix works only with these determined pre-installed or prepared ringtones. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.